For more than 34 years, the Hubble Space Telescope has remained one of humanity's most vital instruments in the exploration of the cosmos, providing unprecedented insights into both the distant universe and our own solar system. Initially designed for deep space observations, Hubble has proven to be an invaluable tool for studying planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, offering a perspective that complements close-range missions. Many celestial bodies in our solar system remain largely unexplored because dedicated spacecraft for these targets are rare or prohibitively expensive. Hubble's powerful optics, however, have helped bridge this gap, capturing phenomena that continue to challenge and expand our understanding of planetary science, uncovering both the expected and the entirely unexpected. Despite its extraordinary capabilities, Hubble is not suited for every type of observation. For instance, it cannot capture the entire Moon in a single frame due to the Moon's large apparent size in the sky. Instead, missions like NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter have been tasked with creating detailed, high-resolution maps of the lunar surface. Yet Hubble has contributed to lunar and planetary science in creative ways that were never initially anticipated. One of its most notable contributions came in 2012 during the transit of Venus across the Sun. Scientists devised an ingenious experiment using the Moon as a reflective surface to study sunlight filtered through Venus's thick atmosphere. By analyzing the light reflected from the lunar surface, researchers were able to confirm the presence of carbon dioxide and other gases in Venus's atmosphere. This experiment was not merely a technical triumph. It also demonstrated a method that could be applied to the study of exoplanet atmospheres, helping astronomers search for signs of habitability and potential biosignatures on distant worlds. Unlike the Moon, Mars is an ideal target for Hubble's instruments. The telescope has provided comprehensive images of the Martian surface, something orbiters cannot achieve due to their proximity and limited field of view. These images allow scientists to monitor seasonal changes, track dust storms, and study shifting weather patterns over time. One of Hubble's most iconic observations came during the global dust storm of 2001, which completely obscured the planet's surface. Such events offer crucial insights into Mars's dynamic environment, providing essential data for planning future missions, including the safe operation of rovers and eventual human exploration. Hubble has also closely monitored Phobos, Mars's larger moon, which completes a full orbit in just 7.5 hours due to its close proximity to the planet. Over time, gravitational interactions are slowly pulling Phobos inward, and it is expected that the Moon may eventually either crash into Mars or break apart to form a planetary ring. Observing these processes allows astronomers to study the long-term evolution of planetary systems, gaining insights into dynamics that unfold over millions of years. Beyond Mars, the asteroid belt is home to millions of rocky remnants from the early solar system. Hubble has played a key role in observing these asteroids, uncovering unexpected behaviors and structures. One particularly intriguing case involved asteroid 6478 Gault, which displayed comet-like tails, a surprising phenomenon, since asteroids generally do not exhibit such activity. Analysis revealed that this was due to the Europa effect, where uneven solar radiation gradually alters an asteroid's rotation, causing it to spin faster and shed material into space. This discovery highlighted the fragile, rubble pile nature of many asteroids, revealing that even small perturbations can significantly alter their structure and behavior over time. Hubble also captured one of the most dramatic collisions in the asteroid belt. P. 2010-82, initially mistaken for a comet due to its tail-like appearance. Closer examination revealed that it was not an active comet, but the aftermath of a high-speed collision between two asteroids. Debris was ejected in all directions, forming an X-shaped structure near the center, with some fragments escaping into space and others remaining gravitationally bound, slowly spreading to form a trailing dust cloud. Such collisions, while rare, offer a window into the chaotic and dynamic environment of the asteroid belt, illustrating the forces that have shaped the solar system over billions of years. Moving outward, Jupiter's immense gravitational influence shapes the orbits of countless objects, earning it the nickname of the solar system's vacuum cleaner. Its mass, accounting for roughly 34% of the non-solar mass in the solar system, allows Jupiter to deflect or capture asteroids and comets, shielding the inner planets from potentially catastrophic impacts. One dramatic example occurred with comet Shoemaker-Levy 9, which was torn apart by Jupiter's gravity in the early 1990s. In 1994, the fragmented comet collided with Jupiter's atmosphere at an astonishing speed of 60 km per second, creating massive explosions that soared 3,000 kilometers above the cloud tops. One impact left a dark scar on the planet roughly the size of Earth, with energy equivalent to 6 million megatons of TNT. Hubble's observations of this event provided a rare opportunity to study high-energy impacts in real time, underscoring Jupiter's crucial role as a protector of the inner solar system. Hubble has also studied Jupiter's extraordinary auroras, far more intense than those of Earth. While Earth's auroras are sporadic and largely influenced by solar activity, Jupiter's lights are continuous, immense, and hundreds of times more powerful. Long-term Hubble observations, in combination with data from the Juno spacecraft, have revealed that these auroras are powered by both the solar wind and Jupiter's own radiation belts, creating a spectacle of cosmic electricity unmatched anywhere else in the solar system. Among Jupiter's moons, Europa has captured particular attention. Beneath its icy crust lies a vast subsurface ocean, making it one of the most promising locations to search for extraterrestrial life. Hubble has detected water vapor plumes erupting from Europa's surface, suggesting geysers that may be transporting material from the hidden ocean below. Spectroscopic analysis confirmed the presence of sodium chloride, similar to Earth's ocean salt, implying that the ocean may have a chemical composition capable of supporting microbial life. These discoveries elevate Europa to a position of prime importance in astrobiology and planetary science. Even after the end of the Cassini mission in 2017, Hubble has continued monitoring Saturn, tracking atmospheric changes, storms, and variations in its iconic rings. It has also provided crucial long-term observations of Uranus and Neptune, capturing seasonal changes on Uranus and discovering Neptune's smallest known moon, Hippocamp, likely formed from the remnants of a past collision. For over 3 decades, Hubble has exceeded expectations, continuously reshaping our understanding of the solar system and the universe beyond. Its contributions to planetary science, astrophysics, and the search for life have been extraordinary, revealing the dynamic nature of our celestial neighborhood in unparalleled detail. If maintained properly, Hubble could continue operating until 2040, potentially outlasting even the James Webb Space Telescope in certain capacities. Its legacy serves as a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and the relentless drive to explore the unknown. The universe is vast, mysterious, and far from fully understood. Yet Hubble has demonstrated that each new observation can lead to groundbreaking discoveries, constantly expanding our perspective. Its enduring presence reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge is endless, that every point of light in the sky has a story, and that humanity's quest to explore the cosmos is only just beginning.